Yeah, 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 yeah. Wanna see me out of character, yeah. They wanna see me lose my composure, no. Cause I'm on my grind. For them games I ain't got time.
Everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I am working with Sogoodhair. I love their hair so much, and they are having a Black Friday sale, so make sure you check the link in the detail box so that you can figure out more details on that. I love their packaging because it comes with so much. This is the wig right here, and like I mentioned, they have a Black Friday sale, but look how bomb this wig is. Like, it's already pre-bleached and stuff and tinted, and it also has the scalp in the inside. This wig is just too bomb.com. I couldn't wait to put it on, y'all. I was just so freaking excited with the wig and how it had all these tight strings so I can tighten it for my head. Like, it fit my head perfectly. This wig is literally the bomb. I love their wigs so much, and if you guys don't check them out, you are really missing out. Love how I can just part this hair and anywhere in any way, and the scalp just looks natural AF. Like, oh my gosh, you guys, this wig is just so bomb. Can't wait to style it. So the first thing I'm going to do is cut the lace, and the lace is cut, so I'm going to sleep and I'm going to let it dry. This is the next morning, and I take off my hair, and this is what it looks like in the morning. And then I'm going to take off my scarf, and I'm going to go ahead and work on the baby hairs. This is such a natural line that it looks so good. Now, I kind of messed up with the cap a little bit. You can kind of see it right there, but other than that, like, this wig looks very natural. It looks so bomb. I love the lace so much. Playing with it for a little, I decided what style I'm going to do, and I'm also just going to go ahead and start working on the baby hairs. Baby hairs is the first thing that I do first because it just makes the wig, and I just want to make sure it's laid down before I even style it. So I am shaping and cutting the baby hairs, and like I said, I don't have to pluck this wig because it comes pre-plucked, which is amazing.
When we were together, we never turned our backs on each other. Oh, but now we separate, we can't stand one another. Baby, tell me why. When we were together, we never turned our backs on each other. Oh, but now.
Now the baby hairs are nice and laid. They look good. They look great. And I'm going to just lay it down just for a little bit so it can, kind of stick and be super dry before I start styling the hair. Then once I do that for about 20-30 minutes, I take it off and it's dry enough, and then it's time for me to style the wig. And of course, I'm going to do my favorite hairstyle. I just love this wig a lot. I like how it just looks super, super natural. That's what I adore about the wig the most. So go ahead and check in the detail box below more on this hair company and, the Black Friday sale that they have going on. I promise you this wig is worth it. So now that I'm done styling the hair, it is time to do my makeup. So I'm going to let you guys enjoy the makeup look.
supposed to leave, but I'm sick of your stupid ass, and I know you're tired of me. That's why I say when we were together, we never turned our backs on each other. Oh, but now that we're separated, we can't stand one another.
The end. Hopefully you guys enjoy this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to check out Sogoodhair. Bye.